Namaste. In the previous episode, Duryodhan spoke about his army and its warriors. He tried to flatter Guru Dronacharya by giving him importance. But Dronacharya clearly saw through his intentions and did not say a word. To find out how Duryodhan reacted to this silent treatment, we will now read verses 10 and 11. अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमे तेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम् अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि. In these verses, Duryodhan compared both the armies. He said that his army protected by Bhishma was impossible to defeat, while the Pandav army guarded by Bhim was easy to win over. His comparison was based on the strength of Bhishma and Bhima, as they both held the rank of protector in their respective armies and were also the strongest on their respective sides. Bhishma in his younger days had obstructed the flow of Ganga with his arrows. That is how skilled he was in the usage of weapons. Then, during the Swayamvar of the daughters of the king of Kashi, Bhishma had single-handedly fought and defeated all other kings gathered there. That's how strong and courageous he was. Later, he had even fought against his guru Parashuram and remained undefeated. That's how powerful he was. On the other hand, Bhim was the strongest Pandav. Being Pavanputra, the son of the wind god, he had tremendous strength. He could easily uproot trees and even lift elephants. That's how strong he was. He had even killed many Rakshasas or demons like Hidimbasur, Bakasur to name a few, which showcased his extraordinary power. While both were extremely strong, Bhishma also had the boon of Ichamrityu to die only when he wished to. So Duryodhan felt that since the Kaurav army was being protected and led by Bhishma, they could not be defeated. Since Bhishma was crucial for their victory, he wanted to safeguard Bhishma. Hence, he instructed everyone across divisions to stay in their respective positions and protect Bhishma from all sides. But Bhishma needed no protection as he had Ichamrityu. So the strategy of Duryodhan to ensure his safety was absurd. This only showed that somewhere deep down, Duryodhan was scared. Even though he put on a fake display of confidence on the outside, he was filled with fear on the inside. With this, we have seen that Duryodhan had all his hopes pinned on Bhishma. But what was Bhishma's reaction to Duryodhan's words? We will see in the next episode. Thank you.